Hi, my name is Estelle Trengove, and this is a short video to explain concepts of branches, nodes, loops, and meshes in electric circuits. We call the part of a circuit that contains an element a branch. So every branch contains a single circuit element. I'm going to mark all the branches in red. So over here we have a 10 milliamp current source. So this is a branch. Over here we have a 1 kilo ohm resistor. So this is a branch. And also this is a branch. And this is a branch. And this is a branch. And this is a branch. So this circuit has 6 branches. There are bits in a circuit that look a bit like a branch, but they are not branches, and they are just drawn in for convenience so that the circuit will look neater, and I'm going to mark them in blue. So the bits in blue are not branches. So this piece in here, you can see, doesn't contain a circuit element. It's just been drawn in for neatness and convenience. So that is not a branch. And this is not a branch. And this is not a branch. And this is also not a branch. A node is any point where 2 or more branches are connected. So in this circuit, this is a node which connects this resistor to this voltage source. This is a node because it connects this resistor to this current source and this resistor and to this resistor. So similarly, this is a node. And then the one that gets complicated is these ones here. So these, again, you can see this does not connect a circuit element, this and this. There's no circuit element there. So this is not a branch. So this is one single node because it just serves to connect all of these elements with this element. And similarly, this is a single node because it serves to connect this element with this element and this element. So again, this is a single node, and in the same way, this is also a single node because there are no circuit elements here or here. So this single node, which is drawn as an expanded node, serves to connect this element and this element and this element with each other. A loop is any closed path inside a circuit. So let's look at this circuit again. This is a loop because it's a closed path within the circuit. This is a loop, and this is a loop. So far we have 3 loops, but this is also a loop, and this is also a loop. So now we have 5 loops in this circuit, and then last but not least, this is also a loop. So we have 6 loops in this circuit. The last concept that I want to talk about is meshes, and a mesh is a loop that does not contain any other loops. So we can see that in this circuit we have 5 meshes. We've got 3 meshes. We've got this mesh, and we've got this mesh, and we've got this mesh. But this is not a mesh because it's a loop, but it contains 2 different meshes. It contains this mesh and this mesh. So this is not a mesh because it contains another loop inside that loop. Only these 3 that do not contain another loop inside that loop are considered meshes.